My name is Hannah, and welcome to my classroom observation reflection. I observed a third-grade classroom in Clarksville, Arkansas at Powern Elementary. My teacher, Mrs. Williams, had been teaching there for 17 years. There are different ways to help steer students away from what is wrong and lead them in the right direction. Mrs. Williams used a system called pull card system. This starts out with 4 different colors. Everyone starts out at green. Next, if they get a warning, then they get to pull a yellow card. The next color is red. At this time, the student needs to stop what they are doing. The 4th card, black, results in a phone call home, an office referral, or a note sent home updating the parents about the behavior of their child. It would be important to keep track of where each student was for each day. This system helps the teacher see patterns, issues, or just document behavior for conferences. Rewards would also be given for those not having color changes. For the students not having eating color changes, they would get to put a handprint in the hallway of the school at the end of the year. Each grade was separated by color. I believe that this was a very good way to manage the behavior of the class. Each day started off the same. When they arrived in the mornings, they got their laptop that was assigned to them as well as their set of headphones and mouse, and took it back to their seats to work on I-Station math. Then Mrs. Williams did a lesson with them. The subject of the lessons did not really differ from day to day. Most of the time, they were science related. Everyone came to the carpet to be closer to the smartboard. She displayed some visual images that sparked interest in the students. After the lessons, the students do quick writes to reflect on what they learned. The students had binders with notebooks in them that they complete daily homework assignments in, and the parents had to sign that they completed the assignments every night. Each time it gets signed, the students can get tickets to use for prizes at the end of the 9 weeks. This is an extrinsic reward. Some of the physical aspects include the children having greater control of their bodies. It wasn't as difficult for them to sit still for longer periods of time. It was harder for them, of course, when they were in 1st or 2nd grade. In the cognitive area, students are in the concrete operation stage of thinking. They can reason logically about actual objects and organize thoughts coherently. They cannot handle abstract reasoning very well, unless it relates to real experiences. They learn best through concrete experiences. In the social aspect, they enjoy working in groups and collaboration. I asked Ms. Williams if her students have taken a multiple intelligence test, but she said they have not. In conclusion, I observed several different theories through the children. Bruner had the constructivist theory. This is when students begin to create their own knowledge and begin to do more group work and hands-on activities. Although group work was not encouraged and there was more individual work, the students still enjoyed to do group work and work with their peers. Dewey had pragmatism. He thought it was best that students learn by doing. Piaget had the operational stage. This is the stage that the students at this stage was at. Vygotsky included scaffolding. This was a process through which a teacher adds supports for students in order to enhance learning and aid in the mastery of tasks. Thank you.